Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best food steamers that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly option or a premium appliance, we've got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Starting off our list at number 5 is the Ovente 2-tier electric food steamer. This is the most budget-friendly option on our list, priced at just $20.99. But don't let the price fool you. It has quite a lot to offer. With its 5-quart capacity and 2 stackable tiers, the Ovente steamer is perfect for small to medium-sized meals. It's equipped with a 60-minute timer, auto shutoff for safety, and a stainless steel base that ensures durability. The clear plastic baskets make it easy to monitor your food as it cooks. In terms of performance, the 400-watt power is sufficient for steaming vegetables, fish, and even dumplings. The compact design is a plus for smaller kitchens, and the dishwasher-safe baskets make cleanup hassle-free. However, its smaller capacity and plastic build may not appeal to those looking for a more robust or family-sized option. Who is this steamer for? It's ideal for individuals or couples who want a simple, no-frills appliance for occasional steaming. While it lacks premium features like digital controls or pre-programmed settings, it does a great job for the price. The Ovente steamer is perfect for anyone on a budget looking to maintain a healthy lifestyle with steamed meals. At number 4, we have the NutriBullet Baby Turbo Food Steamer, a highly versatile appliance that goes beyond just steaming food. Priced at $29.99, this steamer is designed for parents and caregivers, as it not only steams fresh ingredients for baby food, but also defrosts frozen food and sterilizes baby bottles, pacifiers, and utensils. With 5 steam settings and a built-in timer, it's all about convenience and versatility. The compact design makes it a great fit for smaller kitchens, and all components are dishwasher safe, which means easy cleanup. The steamer's performance is strong when it comes to smaller portions, but its capacity, 400 cubic inches, might feel limiting for larger families. That said, its ability to multitask, especially the sterilization feature, makes it a standout for families with babies. Overall, the NutriBullet Baby Turbo Food Steamer is a fantastic choice for parents who want a multifunctional appliance that caters to their baby's needs. While its niche focus makes it less suitable for general household use, it's an unbeatable option for those looking to prepare baby food quickly and safely. Coming in at number 3 is the Hamilton Beach Digital Electric Food Steamer, priced at $62.45. This mid-range steamer is ideal for those who want a blend of versatility and functionality. With a 5.5-quart capacity and stackable 2-tier design, it's perfect for cooking everything from vegetables to seafood. The standout feature here is its digital touchpad, which includes a countdown timer, auto shutoff, and a warm function that keeps food ready to serve. The performance is excellent for a mid-range steamer, with even cooking results and the ability to prepare a full meal in one go. Another great feature is the removable center divider, which allows you to fit larger items like a whole fish. Plus, the nesting tiers make storage a breeze, a thoughtful design for those with limited cabinet space. While it's slightly more expensive than basic models, the Hamilton Beach Digital Food Steamer offers great value for its features. It's perfect for families or individuals who want a reliable appliance for healthy cooking without breaking the bank. The only downside, the plastic construction may not feel as premium as stainless steel alternatives. At number 2, we have the Bella 2-tier food steamer, which combines affordability with an impressive 7.4-quart capacity. Priced at $27.99, it's one of the most budget-friendly options on our list, yet it doesn't skimp on features. With 2 stackable tiers, this steamer allows you to cook different foods simultaneously without mixing flavors, making it great for preparing entire meals. It also comes with boil-dry protection and an auto shutoff feature for added safety. The design is both practical and easy to maintain, with dishwasher-safe lids and baskets. A clear water level indicator ensures you never run out of steam mid-cooking. Its performance is reliable, cooking vegetables, rice, and even fish evenly, However, like most budget models, it uses plastic baskets, which may not appeal to everyone. Overall, the Bella 2-tier food steamer is a fantastic choice for families on a budget who need a larger capacity steamer. It's especially great for those who frequently cook multiple dishes at once. The combination of affordability, capacity, and ease of use makes it a strong contender in this lineup. And finally, at number 1, we have the premium Cuisinart STM1000 digital glass steamer. Priced at $159.95, this is the most expensive option on our list, but it's also the most feature-packed. The Cuisinart steamer boasts a 5-liter glass pot with a stainless steel steaming tray, offering both durability and a sleek design. It has 5 pre-programmed settings for seafood, poultry, grains, vegetables, and manual steaming, making it incredibly versatile. The top-down steam system ensures even cooking, and the LCD control panel is intuitive and easy to use. Additional features include a 60-minute countdown timer, pause and reheat functions, and an audible alert when your food is ready. The glass pot and stainless steel tray are dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. This steamer is the perfect choice for food enthusiasts and families who want a high-end appliance with precise controls and excellent performance. Its premium price is justified by its superior build quality, advanced features, and elegant design. If you're looking to invest in a steamer that delivers top-notch results and looks great in your kitchen, the Cuisinart STM1000 is the way to go. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Let us know in the comments which food steamer you're considering, or if you have any questions. We'd love to hear from you. As always, check out the product links in the description for the latest prices and deals. See you in the next video.